MBC Explorer, MBC Explorer. Mayday MBC Explorer, position 11 degrees 45 minutes north, 123 degrees 30 minutes east, 0 to 100 local time. We have collided with a floating object. Forward cargo hold is taking matter. Vessel is in danger of sinking. I say again, vessel is in danger of sinking. Require immediate assistance. Number of persons on board, 25 crew members. Request immediate assistance. Standing by on channel 16. Over.
Mayday, MBC Explorer. This is Coast Station. Receive, Mayday. Your position 11 degrees 45 minutes north, 123 degrees 30 minutes east. What is your present condition? What assistance do you require? Over.
This is MBC Explorer. Vessel is taking water continuously. Flooding not under control. Pumps are operating but unable to control increase of water. Vessel has slightly placed to port. Required immediate rescue and possible evacuation assistance. Over.
Mayday, MBC Explorer. This is MB Ocean Explorer. Receive your Mayday. We are approximately 8 nautical miles from your position. Proceeding at full speed to assist. Estimated time to arrive out 20 minutes. Over.
This is Coast Station. MB Ocean Explorer. Proceed to assist MBC Explorer. Rescue coordination in progress. Additional rescue units have been dispatched. MBC Explorer. Prepare life-saving appliance. Keep crew standby for possible abandonment. Report any change condition immediately. Over.
This is MBC Explorer. Welcome. Crew preparing life-saving appliances. Standing by for possible evacuation. Will report any change in condition. Over.
This is MB Rescuer. Now 5 nautical miles from Sea Explorer. Continuing approach. Will establish visual contact shortly. Over.